Hey guys, it's me Stace, and today we're making this really fun card. It says best day ever. On the inside we're going to customize it where we can write our own greeting here. But it's super simple, really fun, and really easy to make. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. I already have Design Space open and I'm also logged in. You want to go where it says Cricut Access and click on View All. In the upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Cards. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the words best day and then click on enter. And you will see it brings up two of the same cards. The first one here that's in red, this is for the Cricut Joy machine. The one that's in green is for the other Cricut machines. I'm going to click on the green one. It's going to bring up a preview window. Very bottom, click on customize. So now we have the card base here. If you move that, you can see the piece behind that and also the envelope. I'm choosing not to cut the envelope out, so I'm going to click on the X to remove that. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the green piece, right click on that and choose duplicate. So now we have two of them. And do the same for the card base. Right click on that and choose duplicate. So now we can set one aside and work with this one. So what I want to do is right click on this piece again and go down and choose detach. And that removes the score mark. So if you move the card out of the way, you can see the score mark is not attached to it. Click on the X to remove that. Now what I want to do is just use some of these pieces. I don't want to use all the pieces, but if I right click on the piece again, you will see there's no option to detach. So now we need to hide contour. So you want to have your piece selected. The very bottom right hand corner of Design Space, click on contour. And I'm going to choose hide all contours. As you can see, it just gives me a square. And all I want to use are these three little leaves. I'm going to click on these three leaves right there. You can see it still has the square, so I'm going to click on the box here to remove that, and that leaves me with just the three leaves. I'm going to close that window out. So now we have my three leaves. This piece here goes behind that, and then this piece will be for the inside. It's going to go on this side of the card. All right, so what I want to do now is add some text. Left-hand side toolbar, click on the text box, and I'm going to type in, is the day I met you. So the best day ever is the day I met you. Now I want to change the font, so I'm going to click on that, go to the very top where it says font, click on that, the upper right hand corner, click on filter, and I'm going to go and choose writing style. And the one I chose for my card is called Awesome, which is right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and you will see the font change. I'm going to change my three leaves. These are set to cut. I want them to draw. So I have these pieces selected. The very top left hand corner of Design Space, you will see line type and you can see it set to cut. Click on that and go down and click on draw. So now I'm going to move my text up like that a little bit, just so it's on a line. Move this piece over. I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to right click on that and choose duplicate. So now I have two of them. I'm going to put one in the front over here. I'm going to have that piece selected. The very top toolbar, I'm going to click on where it says flip and choose flip horizontal, so it goes the other way. Just make sure your spacing is okay. And I think all that looks good. I'm going to select all the pieces together. The upper right hand corner of Design Space, I'm going to click on group. So now they're all grouped together. I'm just going to resize it to fit inside of my card here. I'm going to have it go to the very bottom. All right, so when you're happy with the way that looks, you want to take your left mouse button across all the pieces, your card, and also the text. Right click on that and choose attach. That's going to attach the text to that piece, and that text does use the Cricut marker tools. All right, so we're all set. We have our card base, the piece for the behind that piece, and also the piece for the inside. Upper right hand corner, I'm going to click on make it. Go to the table, cut all this out, and we'll put the card together. All right, we are back. We have all of our pieces cut out. The first thing I want to do is take my card base and finger press on the score marks and take your bone folder and give that a really good crease. All right, so we have that piece there. Now this is like the easiest card ever. We have this green piece. Now all you need to do is just plop it into these four corners. You don't even need to glue it down. Just get it in there like that. Flip it over and do the same for the other side. And then just make sure it's nice and laying flat. And that takes care of the front. Isn't that pretty? All right, now we have the other piece that we put our own text on. I'm going to go ahead and take my glue and glue this down. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from MamieMadeIt.com. And I like putting this piece in first. This way I can line up this piece with the same bottom over here. So take this one and just line it up on the inside. And this card, the finished size is about 6 1/4 by 5, so it's a relatively large size. So if you want to cut the envelope out, this way you could have a customized envelope to fit it, you can do that as well. But there you have it, super simple card. You can change out that text. It can be, is the day I married you, is the day you were born for a happy birthday card, the day I met you, you know, it could be whatever you want to do. But I really thought it was just a really simple, pretty card. So there's that one here, and then we have that one there. All right, any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.